Hello everybody, in today's video I will show you how to insert indentation or how to indent in your spreadsheet on Google Sheets. So the first thing, open your spreadsheet and follow these simple steps. Well, there is two ways to indent in Google Sheets. The first and easiest method is by using the columns as a tool of indentation. So we will, for example, we want to indent these items or this text. So I'm going to just paste it here and I'm going to have it here. Now we can go to view and show, and we will get rid of the grid lines. If you want it to be like more indented, like this, and just adjust it until you get the indentation that you want. There is another method without playing with the format or with the size of uh, the columns is by changing the type of your value. So to do so, all we have is to go to category, uh, and we will go to format, and as you can see it will have like a plain text, and here we will go to format because those are the text that we want to indent, and go to number. After clicking on format, go to number, and then we will choose custom number format. Here in the value we will add as much as indentation that you want. For example, I will add 3 spaces and I will click on apply. As you can see, automatically I have 3 spaces here. For example, let's change it to multiple spaces and add as many as we want. For example, this much, and as you can see it will conserve the value item 1, but it will add the space or indentation that we wanted in the first. Let's just make it a regular indentation, so it will be just 2 spaces or 3. We'll delete the first one, it will be just 2 spaces, and we will do the same for this one, the number, and we will have it here. So as you can see, those are the methods uh, to indent your text in a spreadsheet. Thank you for watching and goodbye.